In today's video, we're going to be looking at partial functions in Python. All right, so we're looking at what we have on the screen. A partial function is a higher order function that allows us to fix a certain number of arguments in another function, producing a new function with fewer arguments. So this concept is actually useful when we want to create a version of a function with maybe like a lesser parameter, a lesser, set of parameters. Yeah, because you probably want to, create at least maybe some level of abstraction. Okay. Looking at the example we have on our screen, we have a function called multiply. Of course, this function is going to multiply two values. The expectation is that this should receive integers, right? And then we use this to perform that multiplication action. Next, we have double, and this is simply, returning multiply with a specific expected value and, the value of 2, which is what we have passed in here. So at this point, we'll call the function double and the other format. If we choose to swap to the other format, I simply would, create this. I simply would say from functools import partial. Okay. And instead of doing this, I would rather swap this to double equals partial, and I pass in multiply, right, with the next, of course, just like what we had before, which is 2. Okay, so the expectation of this is that we already have one of the values covered with multiply. So if we go ahead and run this again, we're going to get the same value, which is 20, as our result. All right, so let's show a different example here. So in this example, we have from functools import partials, and we are still using our multiply example, which is the original function. Here we create the partial, which is similar to what we've been looking at, but what we are trying to show you here holds the function in this memory location. So when we call double this time around and we pass in 5, it goes ahead to actually perform that multiplication action, and the result is stored in the variable here called result. You see, this is equivalent to multiply 2, which is the original value we have here, and 5, which is what we have passed in, giving us the output of 10. All right, so I hope this clarifies what a partial function is. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.